Daniela, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to learn how to do the new thing, TikTok trend, which is very easy. We're going to learn it in no time. I think that in less than 5 minutes, you're already going to know how to do the dance and you're going to be able to film it. But before we get started, it would be amazing if you could just subscribe and activate the notifications. It takes 2 seconds, but I would be so happy. And now let's go. This video is mirrored, so it's a lot easier for you to follow. And now, let's just get started with the first step. The first thing we're going to do is a step forward, like this. 1. So basically, we're just going to do like a small jump. We're going to step on our left leg and then our right one. And then our left arm goes forward and our right arm goes 1, 2. So it's going to look like this. 1, and then we're going to clap. We're just going to put both our legs on one level and just clap. And now what we're going to do is our hands go down. We're going to just bend our legs a little bit and we're going to twist one leg and then the other. So it's going to look like this from the beginning. Step, clap, 1, 2. Then after this, we only have 3 steps left. We're going to step to the left, 1, then to the right, and then we're just going to roll our arms like that. That's it. That's the whole dance. So we're going to do it from the beginning twice. Once we're going to do it slow, and then once we're going to do it fast. So first, let's just do it slow so that we remember everything, what move goes after which. And then we're going to do the actual dance at the actual speed because it's not that fast actually. So first, slow. Are you ready? Let's go. Step, clap, twist, twist, step, step, roll. Perfect. And now just a little bit faster and we are done. That's it. You can already film the dance after this. So let's go. Step, clap, 1, 2, step, step, roll. That's it. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure to please give me a big thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe and also comment which dances or videos or exercise routines you want me to do next. And I hope to see you soon. Bye!